Good morning, fam. Everybody's been glued to Bitcoin, Ethereum, even Dogecoin. But right now, one altcoin is cutting through the noise and trending across YouTube, X, and Google. That coin is Aster. And the buzz is so loud it's impossible to ignore. So today, we're going to break down exactly why Aster is suddenly everywhere and whether it's just hype or a legit shot at making some serious moves in this market. So stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I am going to do some TA and give you guys my opinion on the price of Aster. But first, let's start with the obvious. Aster is topping the trending list on platforms like CoinGecko and CryptoRank. That means people are searching for it like crazy. When you see that kind of volume in searches, it usually signals retail is waking up. And retail hype, that is rocket fuel in crypto. At the same time, I've seen YouTube creators, Twitter influencers, and even Telegram groups light up with Aster price predictions. You don't get that level of attention unless something is going on under the hood. But the big question, what actually is Aster? Well, Aster is building out a next-gen smart contract platform, and the focus is on real scalability. Think connecting multiple ecosystems, improving transaction speeds, and lowering cost, all the stuff Ethereum's been criticized for. So you can imagine why Aster is gaining such traction. And that's exactly why investors are sniffing around, because if it actually delivers, it could capture that next Solana type of narrative. But I've got to keep it real with you. With altcoins like this, the upside is massive, but so is the risk. The fact it's trending doesn't guarantee it's a long-term winner. We've seen plenty of projects pump hard, then dump just as fast. So here's how I'd play it. Remember, stick around, because I am going to dive into the Aster price action. And of course, as always, this is not financial advice, just my opinion. Please invest, trade, hodl at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. Please read the disclaimers. Now, if you're an aggressive trader, you might scalp some of these moves while the hype is hot. If you're a long-term holder, I'd wait for a clean retest or a pullback before loading up. And of course, we are getting that. And as always, never risk more than you're willing to lose, because altcoin hype cycles can flip overnight. So is Aster the real deal? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, right now it's one of the most talked about and searched coins in the market. And we all know that in crypto, that attention alone can send the prices ripping. If you want me to dive deeper into Aster and whether this could be a long-term play, smash that like button and drop a comment below in the comment section. And if you're new here, welcome to the AJC, or Average Joe Crypto community, where we take things from average to savage. Now let's get into the charts. All right, guys, let's jump into the Aster price action here, guys. And right now we have the hourly time frame up, and you guys can see that this is a brand new fresh chart. So let's see what we can identify here. The very first thing that I have noticed, of course, is our uptrend. We do seem to be holding. Aster is holding nice support here on this beautiful uptrend. Along with the uptrend, Aster is in a rising channel. Something else that is important to pay attention to, and we're going to talk about this in a second, the previous pattern that we actually broke out of here that led us into the rising channel, this pattern is going to possibly give us an idea of where Aster will go if it continues this bullishness. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in a measurement of the previous run here to give us an idea of where our price target is for Aster on the hourly. And again, we are in this rising channel. I'll talk about where we might go in a second if the channel loses support. But first, let's see about this right here. This is going to be our measurement here for the bullish case scenario for Aster. And that measured move target is near $4.75. I like the 4.75 mark. It is at, according to the measurement, 4.73, but up there near $4 for Aster, which is almost a double up from the current price. And even though the measurement of this wedge pattern really does not hold any significance, I am going to go ahead and throw it in here just to cover that. Obviously, that target was already hit right here, when we had our little pullback there. Now, let's talk about Aster in this rising channel, because this is something to pay attention to with the way the markets have been behaving recently. Going into October, you know, the end of this month, the end of September, has proven to be a bit red, right, in the short term. Now, is the crypto bull run over? In my opinion, no. But only time will tell. Now, this rising channel will have a measurement, of course, and we can take a look at the downside move just in case Aster were to lose the uptrend support here. And I do like the area that the measurement from that rising channel lies. So that actually falls down to approximately $1.75, $1.75, $1.80 right here. And that would actually give us a back test or retest of this area which we broke out of into the channel, right? Not only that, but it would also give Aster a test of this indicator which is starting to form here. And, you know, that's a good sign. If we were to fall here, it would give us a nice bounce, in my opinion. Of course, if we do not lose support of the channel, then, in my opinion, the measured move here to that $4.75 area is still in play. Aster really showing some strong signs in the price action. And, of course, trending. So, is Aster a good play for alt season and the rest of this crypto bull run? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this update on Aster. If you did, make sure you subscribe if you're new. Smash the like button on the way out if you haven't yet. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.